Okay guys, how are you? How's everything going? You see me without the sunglasses. Now I'm gonna put them back on because I gotta. Okay, how to do travel vlogging and why do travel vlogging. Basically, you pick the kind of idea you want to do in terms of travel vlogging. I mean, do you want to just do travel vlogging focusing on cities or on towns or small villages, or just nature travel vlogging, but in nature, showing people the nature and stuff of the area, the natural aspect, the beauty, as we see here in Colombia. That down there is the Valley of Aburrá. It goes that way and then it goes that way, and that's where you have Copacabana down there, and you have Girardota and Barbosa, and then to the left you have Bello, Medellín, Envigado, Itagüí, Sabaneta, and La Estrella. And that's the Valley of Aburrá. Now you see a country house over there from the country road. So you know, what do you want to do? Me, I do travel vlogging about everywhere I go. Right now I'm just in Colombia because this is where I live, and whenever I can start traveling again within Colombia, I'll do it. So how to do travel vlogging. You got to choose what kind of travel vlogging you want to do. Do you want to be showing architecture, monuments in general, just the cities, and you're not interested in the countryside or in parks and rivers and whatever? Or do you want to be general about it like I do? Wherever I go, I want to show people these things. And why do I do travel vlogging? Why do it? Because I want to show the world where I'm traveling, so that those people who are following this channel or watching this video, like you, are getting more information with videos with people that you either know or are acquainted with, or just happen to be following because somebody recommended that person to you, or you just found it on YouTube as one of the recommendation suggestions, or it came up in the search bar results. I'm a YouTuber. I just started back in May of 2020. Whatever 2820 is for you when you see this video. And I love traveling. I love traveling. Oh yeah, I gotta love it. This is awesome. I love traveling. And I just like to show people all of that, you know. I get around, and this man doesn't stop for anybody in terms of like saying, oh, you got to stop travel vlogging and all of that. Traveling, no more traveling. I'll keep doing it until I can't do it anymore, or I don't want to do it anymore. So why do you want to become a travel vlogger if you're not a travel vlogger yet? And how do you want to do it? How do you want to do your travel vlogs? What do you want to do? Leave your comments down below about how you want to do it and why you want to become a travel vlogger and on YouTube. And I recommend that you really explore. Don't get any free versions of video editing apps, because all of them, except for one or two here and there, have watermarks, and they come out on the video, like you see on all of my previous videos before this date of August 2020. So check it out. Somebody's coming with a motorbike. So leave your comments below. Why do you want to do it? And how do you want to go about it? What kind of stuff do you want to travel vlog about? Because it's travel. You want to show people vacation destinations. You want to show people nice hotels where they can stay. You want to show people touristy areas, what areas to visit. Or do you want to show people what areas that are not touristy to visit, what national parks to go hiking or camping in and everything, where to have a picnic when you're traveling, what restaurants to visit. I mean, think about it. What is it you want to do? You could be very general, or you can be very specific. YouTube is about niches. What niche do you want to belong to? And all of that. So, and then just make sure you get a paid version, but make sure you explore, investigate can that video app that you're paying for, when you make your videos, can you commercialize your videos? Can you make money with YouTube? Because there's a big gray area there that is not really detailed or really clear. I mean, they don't say anything. I'm doing the research right now because I gotta find out. Because, you know, I do want this to be monetized one day down the line, because I'm gonna be traveling again a lot and for years. Probably not coming back to Colombia where I currently live, unless I gotta come back for some emergency reason. I want to be out of this country, even though I love it. I love Colombia, but I want to see the rest of the world. I was already in India, and I want to see more of India. I want to go to Thailand. I want to go to Indonesia. I want to go to Vietnam. I want to go to Japan. I want to go to Australia, New Zealand. I want to go to some of the Polynesian islands, Fiji, Samoa, whatever, man, you know. I want to go to Ethiopia. I want to go to Egypt. I want to go to Morocco. I want to go to South Africa. I want to go to the Congo and check out some beautiful places, small villages and all. Look at that beautiful horse down there. And look at Canelo. Canelo, what are you doing, buddy? Canelo always takes a walk with us. And Eva, which is one of my beautiful baby girls from the house, treehouse. So yeah. So think about these things. Why do you want to become a travel vlogger? And how do you want to do it? And really choose the video editing software you want to use. No watermarks on it, and make sure you do the research so that you can monetize those videos and your channel can be monetized 2-3 years down the line. Don't get any funny ideas unless you're a unicorn, as they call them on YouTube, that you're going to start making money 3 months after you start vlogging. Look at this guy, Luisito Comunica. He started vlogging on YouTube with a different topic many years back, like 10 years ago, 12, and it was a failure. And then he decided to go into travel, and the guy became a success after some years. I don't know how long it took him, but bam! You know, I love money, I do. Not like attached to it, but I like making money. How else can I live? You know, and I'm gonna become a digital nomad when the time comes. Right now I do online classes, teaching people how to improve their English, how to polish it up and all of that. And plus I have 2 other YouTube channels. One is called English Your Way by Edwin Toro. I teach people how to improve their English, American English, since I'm American from the US, born and raised there. And I explain it in Spanish and in English, the topics. And if you want to learn a little Spanish, just a wee bit of Spanish, you can go to that channel, subscribe. English Your Way by Edwin Toro. And the other channel is about travel and adventure, just like this one, but it's in Spanish. It's for the Spanish-speaking community. And if you want to improve your listening skills in Spanish, then I invite you to go to Vagando Parejo por Edwin Toro. I'll leave the links in the descriptions of those channels below in the description area. So really, consider it. Colombia is beautiful. Do consider coming to Colombia. Look at one of the typical country houses here. A little more modern than normal, but that's how they paint them. These are the doggies. Come on, Canelo, let's go, buddy. Canelo, vamos. Let's go. Vamos, Canelo, vamos, vamos. Canelo's a little scared. Vamos, Canelo. Venga. Hey, guys, relax. All right. I'm gonna let you guys go. Hit the like button if you like this video. And it's been nice talking to you. And I do wish you a lot of good fortune and success with your endeavors in becoming a YouTube vlogger, whatever niche you're going into. I'm talking about how to make travel vlogs and why do travel vlogs. And check out the other videos I have on this channel. Give them a like if you like them. Leave comments. Please participate. Why do you want to become a travel vlogger? How do you want to do it? And probably give me some ideas too. Probably more than I would expect, because there are even some guys that know a lot and get on this and talk about all of that. It's been sweet talking to you. Sweet Wanderers. Signing off for now. Till next time. Stay blessed.